Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. I wanted to make a light cotton blouse. It took me long to create an interesting design, and this is what I got. The most interesting detail in this shirt is the back. The blouse is made of cotton of a very good quality. The bottom was doubled with interfacing. This is a satin collar. This is kind of an apage collar, but the angles are straight. There is a flounce on the collar. It's 6 cm wide. The fabric on the flounce was folded in half. There's one detail in this blouse which reminds of a shirt style. Men's yoke. There are box pleats on the sleeves. They make the sleeves look much wider. The sleeves are 56 cm wide at the bottom. The sleeves are gathered with elastic threads here. The sleeves and the collar together make this blouse look very fancy. The overcast also looks pretty good. Now let's have a look at the back. These details start from the side seams. Let me show it to you this way. The side seam goes down to the waistline, and then the blouse and the side seam become wider. How wide should these details be? They should meet somewhere in the center back. This is how the side seams look like now. I want to put this blouse on the table to show you the wrong side, all the seams and details. Have a look at the collar. This is a regular satin collar. I've already showed you how to make it. Notice how perfectly these details fit me when I tie the bow. Just look at the left side, there is no mic here. The side seam turns into a wide side detail, which is tied on the back. The width of the overcast is 8 cm. Such wide overcasts look really good in light blouses. The sleeves, the collar, and the back detail together make this blouse look very fancy. We made the drop shoulders in this blouse for about 3 cm. As I've already said, the sleeves look much wider due to these box pleats. Have a look at it. I think that this blouse is amazing. It's fancy and beautiful. I'm tired of simple, boring designs. Having a basic pattern, anyone can make such a blouse or shirt. Don't look for designs in magazines or books. Use your imagination. Having a basic pattern, you can make anything you want. Have a look at the dart. It starts from under the collar and turns into a pin tuck on the chest. Don't stitch a dart to the end. It won't look good. Such darts will always look and fit you well. Have a close look at it. We divided the dart and moved the part of its opening to the armhole. This is also a feature of a shirt style. This is kind of an apage collar. It's decorated with a flounce. Have a look at it. The flounce is double and it's gathered on the collar. The flounce makes the collar look very beautiful. The sleeves are wide, 56 cm at the bottom. The box pleats make the sleeves look even wider. Let me measure it. We added 16 cm for the pleats. And that allowed us gathering the sleeve with the elastic thread. This is how the sleeve looks like. The most interesting details in this blouse are the side seams. Have a close look at it. It starts from the armhole, goes down to the waistline, and then turns to the side detail. These details are tied on the back. You can also tie them on the front if your body allows doing that. The overcast is very wide. I'm glad that I've decided to show you this blouse. It looks very complicated, but actually it's not. It's not hard to make such side detail. It's not hard to make a box pleat. It's not hard to make a satin collar. It's not hard to make a flounce. You can also make such amazing items. That's all for today. I show you a lot of different items and designs. I hope that you like them. Don't be afraid to use your imagination, and remember that practice makes perfect. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.